Can I get a Merry Christmas? Can I get a Merry Christmas? Okay, so it's not Christmas yet, but we're getting there. So today I thought I would sit down real quick and show you guys a very easy to follow eyeshadow tutorial that's very Christmassy. It's very, hey, the ornaments just fell off the tree and slammed onto my eyelids. Hey, all the Christmas lights just came off the tree and here they are on my face kind of look. So if you guys want to see me create this look and follow along with me, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you a very easy step-by-step eyeshadow tutorial on how to do a very Christmas inspired look. Now this look is actually inspired originally by Makeup by Sonya. I will have all of her information linked in the description box below, so definitely please go check her out and follow her and show her your love and support. Now of course, me being me, I put a little spin on it, changed it up a little bit, but the idea was from her originally. Now this look is still festive to me because it's got the glittery lid, it's got the green, the red, and a little bit of the purple because you gotta have some purple with your eyeshadow look because you just got it. So let's get this look started. So I'm going to be going in with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas, which is my absolute new favorite. I've used it before, but not as much as my P. Louise base, but I'm just kind of currently obsessed with it. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my sponge and just going to prime this lid. Now I just love this clean canvas so much because it just completely blocks out anything that's on my lid, and it just has really good staying power, and it just makes the shadows look really good and pop, and I just think it's a 10 out of 10. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a pretty fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to actually be using my Nikkie Tutorials X Beauty Bay palette, which I love so much, and we're going to be dipping into that bold green just called Ew. So we're just going to take this, and we're pretty much just going to put a wash of the green all over our crease, and go a little bit above it, and take it pretty much all the way out to the outer corner of your eyelid, and just blend. We're also going to take it all the way over and down into our inner corner, and just keep blending. So once you have that green where you want it, you're just going to take a clean fluffy brush and go around the edge just to make sure it's blended out and there aren't any harsh lines, because we don't do harsh lines. I don't like Mariah Carey, if I'm just being honest. I think one song, and it was called Obsessed, and that was like forever ago, but that's it. Okay, blend it out to perfection. So now we're going to be going in with the shade Mikai, yeah, I think that's how you say it, right there with the bold red, and we're going to take that with a medium fluffy brush like this. Now for this, we're going to start packing it on the outer corner. Now since it's hitting the green, it's going to turn into kind of like a purple, but that's fine because I live for a purple moment. So just kind of stamp it and blend it. Like I said, this whole entire eyeshadow look is super quick, super easy, super festive, and it's perfect for the holidays. Now you can bring this red down onto your lid because we're going to cut our crease and we're going to put the red back on top of it anyway. So put it there. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend these together just to soften it up. Now I'm going to go back with that red because we still see a lot of the purple, and I'm just going to pack it on over that purple. I don't mind seeing the purple at all, but I do want to see a little bit more red than the purple. So just pack it on just to bring back some of that red. And then again, when we blend it, you're still going to lose a little bit of the red. It's going to kind of turn purplish. I'm going to take some green again, start going around the edge just to bring back more of that green that we lost. Like, the ultimate goal of this eyeshadow look is to make your eyes look like every color of Christmas lights. And that's what we're going to get, kind of. Okay, so once we have this little gradual blend of color, we are going to be cutting our crease again with our clean canvas from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm just going to take my flat brush, where'd it go? Right here, which I always use, dip into that a little bit. I love this base so much. Also, do we like the zoom now? Normally I'm a lot closer. I say that as soon as I start scooting up. Normally I'm a lot closer, but I want to see more of my background and I don't want to be like literally right up in your face. So let me know if you like that. So real quick, we're going to cut our crease. Okay, now that our crease is cut, I'm going to actually set it with a little bit of basic, I don't know how you say it, trut, whatever. We're going to take that, and it pretty much matches the color of the base. So I'm just going to take that and kind of pack it on just to take away some of the tackiness. It's a little too wet for me for what I want right now. Next, I'm going to take a flat packing brush, and I'm going to dip into Ivy, which is the pure silver, here at the top. Now this shadow is pretty hard to pick up on a brush. It just kind of mushes around, but we make it work because we need to. But it's super stunning when it's on your lid. It's a little chunky, but you get a little fallout. But just keep working with it and it's worth it, I promise. Okay, once you have your shimmer on, you're going to dip into Mikai, which is the red again, And this is where you're going to see a lot more of the red that we lost. So we're just going to stamp it on the outer corner. Just really bring back some of that red. Ooh, we're looking festive and I'm living. That's right, I go cross-eyed when I sing. So now I'm going to take some of this red and I'm just going to drag it under my lower lash line all the way across. You know the drill. Is it a crossed or a cross? Please let me know, because I say that in every video and then I have a moment and I'm like, I don't know what it is. And I'm too lazy to look it up. It's just one of those things, I guess. Okay, then I'm going to take a little fluffy brush like this and make sure there's nothing on it. Dip into the green. And this is kind of hard because it kind of always turns it purple a little bit, so we're going to be kind of careful with it. Just kind of stamp the majority of it on. So for my inner corner, I'm going to pop a little bit of All In, which is right here. And this is going to give it that little extra sparkle that you know that I love. Just give it right there. So beautiful. So festive. Like hello. Definition of a holiday cheer. Okay, now you know I always have to do a colorful waterline, so I'm going to take this neon green from ColourPop and I always I'm off camera half the time when I do this, but sorry. I'm just going to line my waterline. Throw on some Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, of course. Give these tiny little babies a little bit of volume before we put on our lashes. Okay, so for lashes, I'm actually going to take my Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liner. This is in the shade Crystal, which is just a clear liner adhesive. If you don't know what these are or what they do, go check out my review on these. These are liquid lash liner adhesives, so you don't have to put glue on your lashes. You just apply it like a liner and then stick your lashes right to it. So I'm just going to go along my lash line. Now for lashes, I'm taking my J Sky Beauty Iris lashes, which you should probably know the drill by now. J Sky Beauty lashes are where it's at right now. I just think they're so stunning. They're beautiful. They're super comfortable. They fit me pretty well, and I love them. So you do not have to put glue on them because we have that liner on. We're just going to pop these where we want them. You do not have to wait on that liner to dry or anything. It's just ready to go. Is that not the easiest lash application you've ever seen in your life? Like literally, throw your liner on, throw your lashes on, adjust them a smidgen, and then squeeze them together. I'm going to quickly take my NYX Epic Ink liner and I'm just going to connect my inner corner with that lash. God, it always tickles me. Okay, off camera, I'm gonna throw on a lip and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the final look all complete. I threw on the liquid lipstick called Poinsettia from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which is a beautiful metallic red, and I have been dying to use this. I have not been able to use this because I'm like, when can I use a metallic red lip? Well, today is the day. So I think this is a very festive look. I think it's very beautiful. It's very colorful, as it is on my channel always. So I'm just giving myself one last little spray of this because I want to. Ooh. So wonderful. So I think this is a very easy to follow tutorial. It's just literally a couple colors, couple steps, and you're on your way. Now you can obviously change out some of the colors if you'd like to make it more your style holiday wise, but for me, this is what my Christmas look would be. People would expect the red, the green, the purple, the kind of the shimmer. They expect this moment from Cody J. So I hope you like this look. I hope you found this tutorial very easy to follow. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we need all the JAYBABYs we can get right now because somebody's kind of unemployed right now. So if my channel were to ever go viral and this be a full-time job, now is the time for that to happen. So you never know what life's gonna throw at you. So Merry Christmas to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And I actually have a new mailing list now, so if you'd like to sign up for that, the link is in the description box below. It's the best way for me to get very direct with you guys and contact you and let you know of any new video uploads I have, giveaways, any important information, whatever it may be. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Your love and support matters so, so much, especially right now. It's what can help my channel thrive. Make sure if you'd like to join my JAYBABY family, you click that big red subscribe button down below and turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I wish you guys a very Merry but early Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ho, ho, ho.